Yeah, it's just all the horse shit outside the car. I was like, it doesn't look like a wide picture. Like, yeah, okay. This is so fucking. Alright. Here's the deal. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, you understand I am traveling to 63 US national parks on one massive road trip. What I just did was completely take everything out of the Honda 2003 that I paid $5,400 tax and titles for with 120,000 miles. I am reconstructing for accessibility, ease, and comfort of what I'm already working with. We're gonna try to max that out, and we're gonna start with removing the passenger seat. All right, I need to give a little context here. This is Luke. I married Luke. Okay. 14 millimeter is the size we're going with.
Oh yeah, look at that. This is some dumb shit.
So I'm curious now, if I pull out this fucking passenger seat, if we're gonna lose this little armrest thing and cup holder.
I think if we can take this off and then get the chair off of this, we can put this back so you still have this.
When I didn't film the taking out of the double, because I'd never done it before, didn't know what the fuck I was doing, I just started unscrewing anything I saw that went with that double, and it was a hell of a process. Okay, so.
Oh yeah.
This is very difficult for a man with very large fucking fingers.
All right, I got one.
He suggested it, and he made good points, so I decided.
All right, got two.
Wire. Look at this fuckery. Walk right through here. I'm gonna have to get the shot back out. No, because it catches.
Right?
You're good. All right, that's it. That's all we got. Like,
That's it.
then we gotta get him out. Now what have we successfully done?
Nothing.
Nothing has changed.
So that's gotta go.
That way.
Yeah, that's 100% what's holding us up there.
Yeah, that's it. Get it?
Getting there. Getting there.
Oh, yeah. Like, as I try and decide where to put things.
Yeah, for sure.
And once I make a decision, I can
Talk about it.
in real time.
Yeah. You should definitely do that. I think that would look super cool. Good looking cock.